requested Smiley.
Yep.
What's up? And since, okay, from an outsider looking in, what can we do to fix it, or how are we doing, you as a listener, listening to the station?
Well, to be honest, get a FM station. That'll be one.
Okay.
But to be honest with you, me hearing this station, I mean, I do listen to a lot of other stations,
Sure.
but for the past, I want to say maybe a week and a half,
You've been loyal.
my phone and my computer at work.
Right.
I can't say that out loud because I do have some of my coworkers listening.
Gotcha.
But I do listen at work too, and it's constantly on Energy 91.3.
That's what I'm talking about.
You know, my mom's listening. Shout out to my mom, Rose, Raul,
Sure.
all of his friends. I think Daniela, Jessica. You know, I got a whole bunch of listeners. I think that's why the server crashed. I'm just saying, you know.
Yeah,
But I mean, it is what it is. Like I said, and from our mouths to God's ears, that hey, He puts us on an FM station, and we go from there.
Well, right now we're gonna do just it is what it is. I like to say a little saying, the internet is the new FM. They're gonna hate on us, but guess what? We're gonna always find a way. We're gonna stay positive with God in our side, and you know, one day we'll be back on the mainstream. But for right now, you better get this right. The internet is the new FM, and we are called the People Station for a reason. If you're selling tamales, and if you're not giving tacos like Mr. Smiley, hope you get the churros. Oh, this is a good picture. Get the churros mix.
That's okay because it's damn worth it.
It's a selfie, so that excludes you. Because if you go to the restaurant, we don't want to see you.
It's all good in the hood. Check it out. You want to be part of the family? Hit us up on Facebook, and you too can come kick it right here. Like our first official guest was JJ Smokers, donation cooking team, and man, they brought it. I cannot say more enough. I used to go to only one barbecue place, Rayford Saunders, the barbecue Pitmasters, I think, and it's some good food. So when he brought the food, oh my God, yes, that was some really, really good food. So JJ Smokers, thank you so much for bringing the food, and anytime you want to bring food, it is what it is, you know. What's going on, Mr. Smiley? How you been today, man? You look rough, man.
I'm tired, dude. It's exhausting.
Yeah, yeah.
It's been a long